Hello there, little explorers. Are you ready for a wild adventure? Today, we're going to meet Ellie, the cutest baby elephant in the whole wide jungle. Trumpet. Our story begins at a big, sparkling watering hole in the heart of a lush, green jungle. Ellie, with her big floppy ears and tiny trunk, is splashing around in the cool water. Splash! She's having so much fun! But do you know how she grew up to be as big as her mommy and daddy? Let's follow Ellie and learn all about how baby elephants grow so big. First, Ellie needs lots of yummy food, but she's too little to eat leaves and grass like the grown-up elephants. Instead, she drinks her mommy's milk. It's super special elephant milk that helps her grow strong and healthy. Ellie drinks and drinks up to 3 gallons every day. That's like filling up a big bathtub. As Ellie gets bigger, she starts to learn how to use her trunk. It's not easy. She wobbles and fumbles, trying to pick up leaves and twigs. Rustle. Sometimes, she even trips over her own trunk. But Ellie doesn't give up. She practices every day, just like you practice tying your shoes or writing your name. Did you know that? An elephant's trunk has over 40,000 muscles. That's more muscles than in your whole body. No wonder it takes Ellie a while to figure out how to use it properly. Ellie loves to play with her elephant family. They live in a big group called a herd. The older elephants teach Ellie important things, like how to find water and which plants are safe to eat. They also protect her from danger and give her lots of elephant hugs with their trunks. Swoosh. As the days go by, Ellie grows and grows. Baby elephants gain about 2 pounds every day. That's like growing as heavy as a big book each day. By the time Ellie is 1 year old, she weighs as much as a small car. But Ellie won't stop growing then. Elephants keep getting bigger for many years. It takes about 20 to 25 years for an elephant to become fully grown. That's a long time. By then, Ellie will be as tall as a house and weigh as much as 4 or 5 cars put together. Ellie and her elephant friends need lots of space to grow so big. They walk 4 miles every day looking for food and water. Stomp, stomp. Their big feet help them walk quietly through the jungle, and they can even use them to listen for sounds through the ground. As Ellie grows, she learns to be gentle with smaller animals and plants. Elephants are very smart and kind. They help take care of the jungle by spreading seeds in their poop and digging water holes that other animals can use too. Ellie loves her jungle home. The tall trees give her shade on hot days, and the rivers give her places to swim and play. She's learning that nature is amazing, and that it's important to take care of it. The sun is setting now, and Ellie is getting sleepy. She snuggles up close to her mommy, wrapping her little trunk around her mom's big one. Yawn as she drifts off to sleep. She dreams of all the adventures she have as she grows up in her beautiful jungle home. And that's how baby elephants like Ellie grow so big. Isn't nature wonderful? Remember, just like Ellie, you're growing every day too. Keep learning, keep playing, and keep being kind to others and to nature. Stay curious, and see you next time.